Some people want to leave the world a better place than they found it. Some people want to enjoy it while they can. Some people want to own as much of it as they can. And some people seem to want to ruin it for everyone else. And some people, whether they want to ruin it for everyone else or they just don't care about anything, throw empty cans and bottles into hedges and ditches and people's gardens and streams and by public footpaths and all over national parks and everywhere. Mostly Foster's, Lucozade, Monster, that kind of thing. But I found one which I have brought to where I can show you, without standing in a stupid place to show you, how I first saw it, which is why it really caught my attention. Here is a tree, which is not where I first saw it, but it gives you the view of this can I first had. Now, does anybody else think that looks like somebody tried to hang a mallard? Like a duck with a noose around its neck. It's not. It's actually it's a guy wearing a giant duck head sideways. It happens to have a white stripe around the giant duck head he's wearing sideways, giving a peace sign salute. Okay then, minor figures. I do not know why it is called minor figures. Oat Mocha. Oat? I presumably mean oat milk. But Mocha is a coffee product, and having seen a recent Illuminati video mentioning dangerously strong caffeinated drinks, I thought I'd check how much caffeine is in it. Doesn't say. Doesn't say. Doesn't say. It doesn't tell you anywhere how much caffeine is in this thing. Right? There's all of this necessary information. It has whatever that is. It has a barcode. It does have an ingredients list in maybe Portuguese or Spanish or something, or whatever that is above that, and probably in Greek somewhere. That looks like Dutch and English. Isn't that nice? Nitrogen infused. It's not carbonated, it's not nitrated, it's nitrogen infused. Coffee with oat drink. I'm not sure that's proper English. Cocoa and sweetener. Okay, nitrogen infused coffee with oat drink, cocoa and sweetener. I suppose they can't call it oat milk because it's not milk. Fair enough. Now, there is a standard, at least in English, presumably in Europe, that these things are listed in order. Coffee 43%, and that's what's in the coffee. Oats 12%, and so on, right? So coffee must be the main ingredient to be listed first. You have 43% coffee, 12% oats, including sunflower oil. Oh, then sunflower oil. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 remaining ingredients. Those account for 55%, the other 45% must be the remaining 5. And because they're in order, we know sunflower oil is no more than 12%. Right? The average 9, but it could be 11% sunflower oil, 10% cocoa powder, 9% sea salt, and then 8% and 7%. Could be. Or it could be, you know, 11.9, 11.8, 11.7, which leaves 9 and a tiny bit, and these could be 4.8 and 4.5 down here. But we still have 4.8% or 8% or something of this acidity regulator. Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is also known as caustic soda, which is also known as drain cleaner. Nitrogen infused coffee with oat drink cocoa, drain cleaner and sweetener. Suddenly starting to look like it makes sense, isn't it? I didn't notice a dead body next to it. As far as I'm aware, whoever drank it is still alive. But why would you do that to yourself?